Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought, now that we are getting into the fall season, that it would be a good time to show you my chicken noodle soup recipe. It is super easy, especially if you prep all the veggies beforehand. There is absolutely no mess. The only thing is an Instant Pot, but you can also use your slow cooker or do it on the stovetop as well. All right, just so that I don't forget anything that I threw in here, I did write it down. So let me tell you what is in it. So first thing I put in was a little bit of olive oil, and then my little baggie of 2 carrots, 2 celeries, and about half of an onion. That can vary if you have more carrots than anything else. Just throw whatever you have in there. Then I added roughly 6 cups of bone broth, and I can link right up above my method of doing bone broth if you want to know how I do mine. So I did about 6 cups of bone broth, and then I added about a cup or 2 of water just to cover all of the noodles up. I added about a half of a pound of egg noodles. I have used all kinds of different noodles for this recipe. I've used elbow pasta, egg noodles, just really whatever you have is going to work just fine. I have even used no noodles at all. And so it's been like a nudist. It's been just like a chicken soup, but no noodles. So really it is very customizable, obviously. Then don't forget all of your seasonings. This is what really makes it. I do not personally season my bone broth, so this is where the flavor comes in. I added some salt and pepper, some basil, thyme, and oregano. And then I went ahead and took my Instant Pot off saute mode. I only did that to kind of break up the veggies at the very beginning. You don't have to put the saute mode on if your veggies are fresh. That's the only reason why I did it, was because mine were frozen. And then I went ahead and put it on high pressure for 5 minutes. And then you're going to want to let this release on its own, maybe like 10 minutes, however long you can leave it. Just start doing other random things around the house. This is usually the time where I like to race the clock, kind of, and I go around and I try to clean up my kitchen as fast as I can before this is all done. So this chicken noodle soup is awesome to pair with sourdough bread, any kind of toast really, garlic bread, grilled cheese. Seriously, the list goes on and on, but you can also just have this on its own. So let's open it up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that I made this look as easy as possible, because it really truly is super easy, especially if you have those veggies and the chicken just ready to go. It's really no mess and no time at all, so perfect for a lunch or a dinner this fall or winter. And all you really need to do is pair it with some sourdough bread or a grilled cheese or something like that. If you guys enjoy watching videos like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so that I know and that I can continue making more. I definitely have more of these types of videos in the plan, so go ahead and subscribe if that's something that you're interested in. But until then, I will see you guys in the next video.